Ever sent the same message to a client twice or worse, 3 times? That's not outreach, that's digital harassment. Imagine Mario sending 3 fireballs to the same Goomba. It's overkill, mate. Real business issue? Reps using multiple tools, LinkedIn, email, CRM, with no sync. End result? Client thinks you're desperate or drunk. Best tool to fix it instantly? Set rules to auto-detect duplicates across all campaigns. Bonus trick? Use smart sending. Skips contacts already messaged within a set time frame. Need more control? Connect it with Apollo IO. It flags active threads so you don't look like Spider-Man tangled in his own web. Or build a unified outreach dashboard site with Moksy. Question: would you reply to someone who messages you 5 times a day? Avoid it. Be smart, be smooth, be less annoying than a pop-up on Windows XP. Subscribe for more.